Welcome back to the iHeartHealth channel. We appreciate your continued support and enthusiasm for our content. We aim to bring you the best health tips and wellness advice. Thank you for being part of our community. Before we dive into today's topic, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your engagement helps us grow and reach more health-conscious individuals like you. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Today we will explore a fascinating herbal tea that might just become your new favorite. Stay tuned as we unlock the secrets of fennel seed tea and its numerous health benefits. Let's get started. Fennel seed tea is made from the dried seeds of the fennel plant. Fennel, or Feniculum vulgare, is a flowering plant in the carrot family. The seeds have a sweet, licorice-like flavor, making them a delightful choice for tea. This herbal tea is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Fennel seeds contain antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can boost your health. Drinking fennel seed tea regularly can offer a variety of benefits. In the next section, we'll look at the origins of fennel and its cultural importance. Understanding its background can give us a deeper appreciation for this powerful herb. Keep reading to learn more. Fennel has a rich history dating back to ancient times. It was highly valued by the Greeks and Romans for its medicinal properties. They used it to treat various ailments, including digestive issues and respiratory problems. In medieval Europe, fennel was used to ward off evil spirits and protect crops. It was also a staple in traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine. These cultures recognized fennel's ability to support overall health and wellness. Fennel's popularity spread globally, and it became an essential ingredient in many cuisines. Its seeds are used in cooking, baking, and brewing tea. The plant's versatility has made it a beloved herb across different cultures. Today, fennel seed tea continues to be a go-to remedy for various health concerns. In the next section, we will delve into the specific health benefits this tea offers. You'll be amazed at what this humble seed can do. Fennel seed tea is renowned for its digestive benefits. It can help relieve bloating, gas, and indigestion. The tea stimulates the production of gastric juices, aiding in smooth digestion. Another significant benefit is its anti-inflammatory properties. Fennel seeds contain compounds that reduce inflammation in the body. This can be particularly helpful in managing conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory disorders. The tea is also known to support respiratory health. It can soothe sore throats and alleviate coughs. The natural expectorant properties of fennel seeds help clear mucus and improve breathing. Additionally, fennel seed tea can enhance your immune system. The antioxidants in the seeds fight free radicals, protecting your body from illness. Regular consumption can keep your immune system strong and resilient. Jane, a longtime tea enthusiast, shared her experience with fennel seed tea. I started drinking fennel seed tea a few months ago, and it has worked wonders for my digestion. I was initially skeptical, but the results have been truly remarkable. I feel less bloated, and my stomach discomfort has significantly reduced. It's like a soothing balm for my digestive system. Michael, a fitness coach, also spoke highly of the tea. He incorporates it into his daily regimen. Fennel seed tea has become a part of my daily routine. I drink it every morning and sometimes after my workouts. It helps me recover after intense workouts and reduces inflammation in my muscles. The anti-inflammatory properties are a game changer for my recovery process. I highly recommend it to my clients. It's a natural way to enhance their fitness journey. Rebecca, a mother of 2, found fennel seed tea beneficial for her family's health. She discovered it while looking for natural remedies. My kids often get colds and coughs, but since we started drinking fennel seed tea, their symptoms have eased. They actually enjoy the taste, which makes it easier for me. It's a natural remedy that I trust. Knowing it's safe and effective gives me peace of mind. These testimonials highlight the tea's effectiveness in various aspects of health. From digestion to recovery, fennel seed tea has proven its worth. Next, we will compare fennel seed tea to other popular herbal teas. This comparison will shed light on its unique benefits. This will help you understand why fennel seed tea stands out. Stay tuned to learn more about its distinctive qualities. Herbal teas come in many varieties, each with unique benefits. From calming to invigorating, there's a tea for every need. Chamomile tea is known for its calming effects and ability to promote sleep. It's often enjoyed before bedtime to help unwind and relax. Peppermint tea is celebrated for its refreshing flavor and ability to soothe digestive issues. It's a go-to for many who seek relief from bloating and indigestion. Compared to these teas, fennel seed tea offers a broader range of benefits. It stands out not just for its taste, but for its comprehensive health advantages. While chamomile and peppermint are excellent for specific needs, fennel seed tea provides digestive support, anti-inflammatory effects, and immune-boosting properties. It's a powerhouse in the world of herbal teas. Another popular herbal tea is ginger tea, which is great for nausea and inflammation. Its spicy kick is perfect for warming up on a cold day. However, fennel seed tea's mild flavor makes it a more versatile option. It can be paired with other herbs or enjoyed on its own. It can be enjoyed at any time of day without overpowering your taste buds. Whether morning or night, it's always a good choice. Overall, fennel seed tea is a well-rounded herbal tea with multiple health benefits. Its versatility and mild taste make it a favorite among tea enthusiasts. Its unique combination of properties makes it a must-try for anyone seeking natural wellness solutions. From aiding digestion to boosting immunity, it's a true all-rounder. In the next section, we'll guide you on how to brew the perfect cup. Stay tuned for tips and tricks to make the most out of your fennel seed tea experience. Making fennel seed tea is simple and requires only a few ingredients. It's a delightful and aromatic beverage that can be enjoyed at any time of the day. Start with 1 to 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds. These seeds are packed with flavor and health benefits. You can use whole or crushed seeds depending on your preference. Crushed seeds may release more flavor quickly. Boil a cup of water and pour it over the fennel seeds. The hot water helps to extract the essential oils and nutrients from the seeds. Let the tea steep for about 10 minutes to extract the flavors and nutrients. This allows the tea to develop a rich and aromatic profile. Strain the tea to remove the seeds and enjoy your fragrant cup of fennel seed tea. The straining process ensures a smooth and pleasant drinking experience. For added flavor, consider adding a slice of lemon or a bit of honey. These additions can complement the natural sweetness of the fennel. These additions can enhance the taste and provide extra health benefits. Honey, for instance, adds a touch of sweetness and has soothing properties. Experiment with different combinations to find your perfect blend. You can mix fennel seeds with other herbs like mint or chamomile for a unique twist. If you prefer a stronger tea, increase the amount of fennel seeds or steep for a longer time. This will intensify the flavor and aroma. Adjusting the steeping time and seed quantity allows you to customize the tea to your liking. Play around with these variables to find your ideal cup. Enjoy the process of making this delightful herbal brew. Savor each sip and appreciate the calming and refreshing qualities of fennel seed tea. Experiment with different ingredients to enhance your fennel seed tea. Adding fresh herbs like mint or ginger can create a unique flavor profile. These additions also bring their own health benefits to the mix. Consider using organic fennel seeds for the purest taste and highest quality. Organic seeds are free from pesticides and chemicals, ensuring a healthier tea. You can find them at health food stores or online. Make a larger batch of fennel seed tea and store it in the refrigerator. This way, you'll always have a refreshing drink ready. Fennel seed tea can be enjoyed hot or cold, making it a versatile beverage for any season. Lastly, be consistent with your tea consumption. Drinking fennel seed tea regularly will maximize its health benefits. Incorporate it into your daily routine for continuous wellness support. While fennel seed tea is generally safe, it's important to be aware of potential side effects. Some people may experience allergic reactions to fennel. Symptoms can include itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing. Pregnant women should consult their doctor before consuming fennel seed tea. Fennel has estrogen-like properties that could affect pregnancy. It's always best to get professional advice to ensure safety. Excessive consumption of fennel seed tea can lead to adverse effects. It may cause nausea or vomiting if consumed in large quantities. Moderation is key to enjoying the benefits without any drawbacks. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medication, Consult your healthcare provider before adding fennel seed tea to your diet. This will help you avoid any potential interactions or complications. Thank you for watching the iHeartHealth channel. We hope you found this exploration of fennel seed tea informative and inspiring. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Fennel seed tea is a wonderful addition to your health routine. Its digestive benefits, anti-inflammatory properties, and immune support make it a must-try. Plus, it's easy to make and customize to your taste. Share your experiences with fennel seed tea in the comments below. We love hearing from our viewers and learning about your health journeys. Your feedback helps us create content that meets your needs. Once again, thank you for being part of the iHeartHealth community. Keep exploring new ways to enhance your wellness, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers to your health.